The Amalfi Coast, situated in Italy's southwestern region of Campania, is renowned for its extraordinary beauty, making it one of Italy's most sought-after tourist destinations. This captivating coastline stretches approximately 30 miles along the southern side of the Sorrento Peninsula, offering a breathtaking panorama that includes shimmering bays, rugged cliffs, fragrant lemon tree gardens, vibrant multicolored villas, and luxurious resorts. Positano. One of the most romantic and posh towns along the Amalfi Coast is Positano. This picturesque village is famous for its steep, narrow streets, lined with pastel-colored houses, pebbled beaches, and scenic mountains. Positano's charm lies in its unique vertical landscape, where buildings seemingly cascade down the cliffs toward the azure sea. The town is also known for its stylish boutiques, charming cafes, and fine dining restaurants, making it a favorite spot for honeymooners and celebrities alike. Amalfi, one of the larger towns on the coast, is a vibrant hub that beautifully blends historical charm with modern amenities. The town features lovely plazas lined with bustling restaurants and cafes, where visitors can enjoy delicious local cuisine and people watch. One of Amalfi's highlights is the stunning Amalfi Cathedral, an architectural masterpiece with its striking Arab-Norman Romanesque style. The town is also known for its production of handmade paper, a tradition that dates back to the Middle Ages. Ravello. Perched high above the coast, Ravello offers a serene escape with its beautiful villas, lush gardens, and rich artistic heritage. The town is celebrated for its cultural events, including the renowned Ravello Festival, which attracts artists and musicians from around the world. Visitors can explore the historic Villa Ruffalo and Villa Sembrone, both of which offer spectacular views and exquisite gardens. Ravello's tranquil atmosphere and stunning vistas make it a favorite destination for those seeking peace and inspiration. The Amalfi Coast is also home to other charming towns and villages, each with its unique character and attractions. Trani, one of the smallest towns in Italy, boasts a picturesque beach and a charming central square. Traiano offers stunning sunsets in a more relaxed atmosphere compared to its more famous neighbors. The coastal road, known as the Amalfi Drive, winds through these towns and offers some of the most breathtaking views in all of Italy. Visitors to the Amalfi Coast can enjoy a variety of activities, from hiking along scenic trails such as the Path of the Gods, which offers panoramic views of the coastline, to sailing and exploring hidden coves and grottos. The region is also famous for its culinary delights, including fresh seafood, handmade pasta, and the iconic limoncello liqueur made from locally grown lemons. The Amalfi Coast's combination of natural beauty, historical charm, and modern luxury ensures that it remains a beloved destination for travelers from around the world. Whether you are looking for a romantic getaway, an adventurous hike, or simply a place to relax and soak in the Mediterranean sun, the Amalfi Coast offers something for everyone. Its enchanting landscapes and charming towns leave an indelible impression on all who visit, making it a place to return to again and again. Thank you for watching. Explore the world's most beautiful cities with us. Subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications to stay updated on our new videos. We hope you had a great time.